Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the fun things you can do on the beach in, Bloxburg. I'm the worst driver. This is not where to go. I'm so... Okay. So, we're going to go left here. We're going to go forward, and we are going to... I actually don't remember where the beach is. Okay. It's on the left side of this city. And there's a Ferris wheel where you can like kind of sit on. It's not that far. You can just park here. You can buy ice cream. You can also do the fishing job here as well. You can buy ice cream and you can sit at the Ferris wheel. You can build sand castles as well. I like the pink one the best, so I'm just going to sit there. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It also recharges your phone. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.